Good evening. Welcome to the Institute for Spiritual Development. My name is Reverend Barbara Scipio, and I apologize for our late start today. We had some technical difficulties with Zoom, and we had to change computers at the last minute, so I do apologize. We like to be punctual. We know that you're waiting for meditation, so we're here, ready to start. So again, my name is Reverend Barbara Scipio, and on every Wednesday night at 7 p.m., we do a meditation. And welcome, this is your first time joining us. And on the first and third Sundays of the month, we have a Sunday service. So if you'd like to see our Sunday service virtually, it's at the same link that this link is for Zoom. And if you'd like to stay back after the meditation and share your experiences on Zoom, we'd love to have you and to talk to you and tell you more about our organization. And again, if you're new to our class and you're from Saw Creek, welcome, as we recently moved to Saw Creek. And we hope that you enjoy the meditation. So I'm going to ask everyone to just relax and get into a quiet place where nobody will disturb you. Either sitting down or laying down, wherever you're more comfortable. And just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Letting go of the day. Letting go of any stress, any pain, any worry, any problems. Giving up to the universe for healing. And as your eyes are closed, just focus on your body. And feel the oxygen reaching every cell of your being. From your fingertips to your toes. This wonderful oxygen that keeps us alive. As we take in these delicious breaths. Breathing out carbon dioxide for the trees and the plants that continue to provide us with the oxygen on this wonderful planet. Breathing in strength, breathing out fear. Breathing in strength, breathing out chaos. Breathing in strength, breathing out judgment. And let's scan our physical body. See if there's any areas that need extra love and attention. But I also invite you to take this time to thank your physical body for what it does for you. And we can start with our feet. Our feet that carry us throughout our lives. Walking and standing, running, pedaling. Our feet that help us feel grounded and safe. give your feet a pat of gratitude and appreciation, thanking them for carrying you in your life. Your heels, your toes. Just wiggle your toes, feel your feet. Just imagine how many miles you've been together with, traveling. Thank your feet for their strength and for enjoying the journey with you. Keeping you upright and balanced. As we move up to our calves, and ankles, our knees, our legs, feel the muscles and bones and veins in your legs. Feel the blood pulsing through your body. Can you feel it running down your leg to your ankles, to your feet, to your toes? And how many billions and trillions of cells and blood vessels are traveling through our bodies? And how many cells have come and gone? And how wonderful our bodies are. And we don't have to remind our body to have the blood flow and the oxygen through our veins. Notice if you can feel any pulsating in your legs, your feet. Thinking how many veins, how many arteries, how many muscles, tendons, tissues, bones. Such a complex, wonderful machine, and how perfectly it works, and how blessed we are to have these physical bodies. That our heart pumps and our lungs breathe without reminding. So thank your ankles and your calves and your knees and your thighs. All these wonderful parts of your body that come together that allow you to walk and stand. Still breathing in and breathing out. With your out breath longer than your in breath. Scanning your body. For any signs of stress or distress or disease. Sending that part of your body extra love and light. As we move to the pelvis area of your body, if you're sitting, it's the area where you're sitting, your root or base chakra, which you might notice the color red. Notice if you're feeling grounded. Sure. And notice how your pelvis allows you to sit down. Holding your legs in its sockets, your hips, what an amazing machine. Our physical bodies, and how amazing they worked without us having to fuss. And how important it is in these physical incarnations. And how complex and diverse. As we move up to our rib cage, and inside our rib cage, our sacral plexus in the lower abdomen, and our solar plexus in the upper abdomen. Or perhaps you notice the colors orange and yellow. And let's just thank our rib cage for protecting our internal organs. Our stomach, our liver, our heart, our spleen, kidneys, gallbladder, intestines, how all these wonderful organs work together to keep us healthy, filtering and doing the functions that they were designed to do without any direction from us. And just thank your inner organs for keeping you healthy and strong. Filtering toxins, elimination. Think about all the cells that have come and gone in these organs. and how new cells are always being made. But it's still us, it's still our organs, it's still our body. As we move back to our spines, and all the vertebrae, lumbar, cervical, thoracic. Think of all the little bones in our backs, our discs, and how important each one is. Protecting our veins, up to our skull. Just thank your back and your discs for supporting you, allowing you to sit up or stand, bend, lay down. The amazing flexibility and everything your body's been through in your life. As we move up to the heart, and the heart is significant for so many reasons. And I invite you, if you'd like, to put your hand on your heart and just feel the beat. As this meditation is about thanking the physical body, but also we acknowledge the spiritual meaning of the heart. The heart chakra's color is green. We know grass is green and things grow in green. The fresh blades of grass in the spring after a long winter. Green means so many things, as does the heart. Feel the blood pumping in and out of your arteries. And feel the unconditional love. Feel the love you have for yourself, acknowledging your divinity, acknowledging who you are, how special and wonderful and perfect you are, and unique. And there's only one you. Thank your heart as it continues the journey with you. And we move up to our collarbones, and neck, down to our arms and fingertips and hands. Every piece of our wonderful bodies is so important as they all work together. Think about how many times you've lifted something, or grabbed something, or hung from something. How many wonderful things you've touched with your fingertips or held in your hands. and how wonderful it is to enjoy the touch of being in a human body. And your hands, how wonderful your hands are. Holding hands. And think about all the lines in your hands and the reflexology of your hands, as each part has a different meaning and gets connected to a different meridian. And how many times you've hugged someone you loved. Just enjoying them with your arms and your hands around them. Feeling their chest against yours. And how wonderful it feels to be embraced by another human being with love and kindness and respect. And all these wonderful things that we can enjoy because we are in the physical body. Our shoulders. How much strength and power they have. Connecting our backs to our wonderful necks and throat, where you may notice the beautiful blue of the throat chakra as you hold your head up high. And how wonderful it is to speak your truth and to be heard. And just thank your throat for helping you to digest food and to speak and to laugh and to sing and to talk. Your nose. How wonderful it is to have a nose to smell wonderful things and not so wonderful things at times. But how wonderful it is to enjoy the five senses of the physical body. And just acknowledge and love your perfect nose. Your eyes. All different shapes and colors and sizes as your nose. But being able to see so many wonderful things, people, creatures, beings, landscapes. If we think of a delicious meal that we can see with our eyes, smell with our nose, and taste with our lips and mouth, it is delicious to be in the physical body. To touch the food. And our wonderful ears. to hear the singing of a beautiful bird or a wonderful piece of music. Or the gentle wind. Or the rain. Ocean waves. So many wonderful things that we can hear. And all this is held together by our wonderful heads. And notice your smile. And I invite you to smile and see how that feels. And I invite you to tilt your head up a little bit and smile. Notice how this simple exercise will elevate you and make you feel more positive. So if you're ever feeling low or depressed, I invite you to try this simple exercise. And our heads that hold our hair. Well, some of us may not have hair. Some of us may have hair in our ears more than we'd like, or hair in our nose. Even though we have hair all over our body. As we think and go inside our heads and think of our brains, the computer of the physical body. And although it's been studied so many years, still so little is known about the human brain. But we just acknowledge our brains, sending love and light to our brains, thanking them for the journey that they travel with us and continue to travel with us, to help us to acknowledge and appreciate and decipher and learn things. So breathing in and breathing out. And there's so many other wonderful parts of the physical body that we can talk about, but I invite you to just sit or lay down and just scan from head to toe. And as you're scanning your bodies, just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, hair, for growing without me telling you. Thank you, blood, for pumping as needed. Thank you, body, for healing any bruises or cuts and scrapes without me telling you. Thank you, legs, for helping me to run for fun or out of fear. Thank you, brain, for allowing me to learn so many wonderful things and continue to learn. Thank you, fingernails and toenails, for growing. Thank you, lungs, for continuing to breathe. And again, thank you, my beautiful heart, for pumping the lifeblood through my arteries, and for allowing me to feel love, give love, receive love, accept love. And I thank you all for sharing this wonderful experience with us. And I say namaste, which means I recognize the God in you. And I appreciate you sharing your love, your light, your divinity, your special uniqueness and qualities with us tonight. Thank you so much. God bless you. And when you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes and come back to the here and now. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you this Sunday at our service, or next Wednesday at our next meditation. And if you'd like to stay back and share your experiences on Zoom, please stay back and join us. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good night. I love you.